Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FashionNova. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of ants. On the application of FashionNova, sorry. You will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.